Hi everyone, and welcome to the mangroves. These incredible ecosystems are the guardians of our coast, but they are under threat. The good news, you can be part of the solution. Today, we are going to learn the hands-on process of how to sustainably harvest mangrove seedlings, a crucial first step in bringing this amazing forest back to life. This isn't just about collecting seeds, it's about being a conservationist. I'm going to show you how to identify the perfect seedling and how to collect them without harming the very tree you are trying to protect. So put on your boots because it's about to get mad. Okay, let's talk about our target. We are we are looking for mature, healthy seedlings, which we call probagule. So how do we know if one is ready? So we look for these key signs. First, look at the color and texture. Mature probagule is a rich dark green and sometimes with hints of brown color. An immature one is lighter, brighter green and feels much softer. And second, check the tip. On a ready to harvest probagule, you will see the tip has a distinct dark point. This is the embryonic root, and it's a sign that it's ready to root itself in new soil. I nearly forget one important sign. Between this part here and this and the upper part, the hypocotyle and the epicotyle. The epicotyle is from here to here, and here to here is hypocotyle. So between hypocotyle and epicotyle, there is something here that shows that this probably is matured, but an immature one doesn't have something like that. Finally, check for firmness. A mature probably will be firm and solid all the way through. If you can easily squeeze or bend it, it's not ready. Knowing what to look for is the most important part of this whole process. Now that we know what's ready, let's talk about how to get them. There are two primary ways we collect them. First, let's talk about the most sustainable method. Method one, harvesting the ones that have fallen. This is the best way to get them. You simply walk along the mud flats, picking up probables that have already fallen naturally from the trees. They've done all the work for us. And this method guarantees we are not harming the parent trees in any way. They are like little green treasure, just waiting for a new home. But sometimes, especially after high tide, there aren't many on the ground. That's when we move to our second method. Method two, carefully harvesting. This is for the mature probables that are still attached to the tree. The rule here is gentle pressure and respect for the tree. Find a probable that has all the signs that we've just talked about, and then instead of pulling, cup the probable into your hand and gently twist and lift. It should detach easily with a gentle twist. If you have to pull hard, it's not ready, and you should leave it alone. Forcing it off will damage the tree and the probable itself. We are here to help the forest, not harm it. Now that you have your bucket full of seedlings or your gunia, you are ready to get them back to their planting sites. Remember to be a good steward of this amazing place. Be aware of tides and other wildlife. Every single one of these little guys has the potential to grow into a mighty guardian of our coast. By learning how to identify and respectively harvesting them, you are participating in a global effort to restore one of the planet's most vital ecosystems. You have the power to protect our future. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this video inspires you to get involved in your local conservation groups. Until next time, stay connected to nature.